But yeah, see how beautiful this hair is. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching me, hey, I am Lisa. If you like these type of videos, consider subscribing. Also, right next to the subscribe button, there's a little notification bell. Make sure you hit that way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming uploads. So today's video is supposed to be one of those come get my hair done with me. I'm gonna talk you guys through everything that I did. The style that I was going for, it was those boho box braids type look, but then I came across this hair here at the beauty supply. The curl pattern is so beautiful. It's by bobbiboss. It's the king tips ocean waves 3 times, and the color I chose was 1B27, and I got 1 pack of 1B. So in total, all the packs I had about 5 packs. So I had 5 packs, 4 1B27 and 1 black. So we used 3 packs, and I have 2 full bags remaining here. The length of the hair is 28 inches. The style or the curl pattern is ocean wave, and it just says king right here. It have 3 little bundles, and those bundles are pretty small, and so I was kind of skeptical. I thought I was gonna need more packs of hair, but what we did is that she cut my hair a little bit bigger and used a little bit of the extensions. That way, you know, we'll have enough hair, but it was completely enough, honestly. Even if we were to do it a little bit bigger, it was gonna be enough. But yeah, see how beautiful this hair is. It is so, the curls are so beautiful, so beautiful. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this hair to do crochet braids. I'm in love. Like, the length is everything. So she will braid it all the way down here and then tie a knot right there, and tie a knot right there, right here. And this one is one of the long ones. She let all this out and then tie a knot right there.